The spring disc is part of your portable bandsaw's drive wheel clutch. It is a washer that has a slight conical shape. It applies tension to the clutch assembly when the bolt is properly torqued. The spring disc can be damaged if the bolt is over-tightened. It can be scored by the clutch slipping. The spring disc should be replaced each time the bolt is removed to ensure the proper torque setting for the clutch. Replacing the spring disc is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the pulley cap from the rear wheel. Now I have access to the bolt that secures the wheel, and I'll go ahead and remove it. With the bolt removed, I can remove the spring disc. Now I can install the new spring disc. I place it over the spindle, and now I'll reinstall the bolt. I'll just tighten it finger tight for now. Now I can torque the bolt. The proper torque spec is 312 inch-pounds, or 26 foot-pounds. I'll use a screwdriver to wedge between the wheel and the housing so the wheel doesn't rotate. I'll finish up by reinstalling the pulley cap. And that's all it takes to replace the spring disc on your bandsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.